This is an image of a lesser yellowlegs shot back in May at a local lake. I really like the image. I like the details around the head and the neck. The feathers are really sharp. The eye detail is really good. But unfortunately, the bird was coming towards me and I was lying on the ground close to water level, and I didn't want to startle the bird, so I just kept shooting as it kept walking towards me. That left the image a little tight to the borders around the left and the bottom borders. So I wanted to fix that. So once I edited the image in Lightroom, I imported it into Photoshop, and I used the crop tool to extend both the left and the bottom edge out just about an inch on each side. And then I made sure to enable the constant to wear, and then checked on the box to the right of that. Photoshop takes a minute or two to render the image in the new size. After that, you might want to use your clone tool to just clean up a few of the areas around the edges where it was extended. As you can see in this final image, I was able to just clean up those areas a little bit, and that final image is a lot more pleasing. The cropping is a lot better than the original image. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting more tips on Photoshop and Lightroom over the next few weeks. I'm going to be posting some of my bird images as well as some of my landscape images and videos that I've been shooting. So please subscribe and leave a comment below. I really would appreciate that.